let's set up your Luma Surround Wi-Fi system. In a few minutes, your home will be filled with fast, secure Wi-Fi you'll love. To get started, you'll need a smartphone, the network cable and power adapter that come in the box with your Luma, as well as your existing modem. Now download the Luma app from the App Store. Create your account, and then answer a few questions so Luma can start customizing your network. First, tell Luma how many Lumas you'd like to set up. Then tell Luma what kind of home you have, a single family, apartment or condo, or townhouse or other, and how many floors. This will help Luma create the perfect home network. Next, tell Luma where your modem is located. Plug Luma into your modem using the network cable and connect Luma to power. Now, restart your modem. Once you restart your modem, the light ring will spin blue as it's working to create your Wi-Fi network. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. A moment of zen, brought to you by your friends at Luma. The light ring will blink green to let you know your new Surround Wi-Fi network has been created. From there, just follow the app as it shows you where to place the other Lumas for optimal performance. Now that they're set up, these powerful little Lumas will immediately start working together to create your outrageously fast, ultra-secure Surround Wi-Fi network. That's wall-to-wall fast Wi-Fi. The Luma app makes controlling your network as easy as the internet makes everything else. And with built-in network security, plus a content control right in the app, you'll never have to worry about your network again. This is the future of Wi-Fi you were promised. Enjoy it. Everywhere.
Hey guys, I'm Matt, and today I'll be walking you through the setup of TP-Link's Deco M5 Whole Home Wi-Fi system. Before opening the box, we can get a head start in the installation process by downloading the Deco app on our smartphone. Okay, now that the app is downloading, let's get started on unboxing our Deco M5 system. As you can see, each Deco unit has a USB Type-C power supply and 2 Ethernet ports. Okay, now we're ready to begin setup. We're going to go ahead and first start by unplugging the power from the modem here. And we're going to take an Ethernet cable from the box and we're going to plug that from the Deco unit into the back of the modem. And once the Deco unit's connected to the modem, we can go ahead and plug the power source back into the modem, and we'll plug the USB power supply back into the Deco. And when the Deco wakes, we should see that it will pulse blue. Hopefully you followed the instructions carefully, and it looks like we did since we're getting a pulsing blue light here, which means we can now set up the app. And the first part we're going to do is make sure we verify our email address with the Deco app, and the Deco app will also let us know of anything we may need for the setup. Okay, now that you have your first Deco unit online, we can use the Deco app to set up the Wi-Fi network. Now you can use a brand new Wi-Fi network name, or you can use the one you had before. With the first Deco M5 unit all set up, we can use the Deco app to help us place the second unit. Now that we have our spot picked out, adding our second Deco M5 to the new network is easy. And setting up our third unit is just as easy as this one.
Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom. the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favourite music. Alexa, play music for studying.
Here is a playlist for studying music, acoustic study, from Amazon Music.
Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, Echo Dot can turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also check your schedule, get you up to date, and keep dinner on track. Alexa, set a pasta timer for 8 minutes.
Pasta timer, 8 minutes. Starting now.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon.
Alexa, start my running playlist. Here's your latte.
Thanks. Alexa, call Kim.
Alexa, directions to the nearest train station. Alexa, resume my audiobook.
Getting your selection from Audible.
Alexa, turn it up.
Alexa, show me cooking classes.
Showing cooking classes from Food Network.
Alexa, show me recipes for chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, here's a few recipes.
Alexa, play Marvelous Mrs. Maisel on Prime Video.
Getting the Marvelous Mrs. Maisel from Prime Video.
Gosh, you're amazing.
I've had a lot of practice. Try manning the Revlon counter on a free makeover Friday. Makeup counter? Yep.
You were in the show. What's it like? I hear there's music and lunch breaks and air.
It is all of that and more.